2026 BMW X5 stands like a sculpture brought to life. Every curve of its off-white chrome surface catches the light and throws it back in perfect precision. You can see the iconic grille, proud and confident, pulling the eye toward its unmistakable design. Reflections stretch under its body as if the floor itself admires it. This front view is pure presence, quiet power rendered in light and metal. Now circling behind, the BMW X5 shows its confident shoulders and perfectly traced tail. The taillights glow with that signature red signature, sharp and measured, sculpted into symmetry. Chrome details hint at sophistication rather than flash. Every line speaks of control and capability. It's the kind of rear view that says the journey just ended beautifully, or is about to begin again. From the side you see the balance of strength and grace. The profile is long yet compact, each contour flowing seamlessly to the next. Wheels gleam like jewels beneath the calm shine of off-white chrome. The floor mirrors every line as if doubling the design. With a silhouette that's refined and athletic, this side view reveals what luxury looks like in motion, even when perfectly still. From the three-quarter front angle, the personality deepens. The design feels dynamic, even without speed. Light drifts across the hood, defining edges and planes like a master sketch. The kidney grille catches a glint, and you sense the power waiting beneath. This perspective turns engineering into emotion. It's elegance that breathes. Inside, the cabin whispers sophistication. Smooth leather, precise stitching, digital clarity everywhere you glance. The dash glows softly, joining traditional comfort with futuristic ease. Every surface feels intentional and calm, like modern architecture translated into a driver's sanctuary. Here, luxury isn't loud, it listens. Under the hood, perfection continues. Every component sits organized and gleaming, polished metal meeting mechanical artistry. It's engineering that invites admiration, not clutter. You can almost feel the pulse of performance waiting to ignite. Power and precision coexist in complete harmony, shining with quiet confidence. Close to the tire, the detail deepens. The alloy rim mirrors the light, smooth and strong. Tread lines show readiness, the kind that promises control on any surface. The reflection of the showroom glides across its curve. Up close, you realize that even the smallest part upholds the BMW commitment, beauty built into function. At the headlight, technology meets poetry. The LED structure glows like crystal geometry, cold light with warmth in its design. Each beam traces the outlines of clarity, not just illumination. It's the face of intelligence, sculpted in glass and infused with craft. One glance, and you recognize the signature stare of innovation. Moving to the rear light, the story shifts to precision in red. The lens refracts brightness in delicate patterns, every diode glowing with purpose. Chrome borders catch reflections from the white floor, creating a radiant contrast. It's both art and safety, the kind of detail most notice only subconsciously, but can never forget. From above, the BMW X5 becomes a masterpiece of symmetry. Framed by the white showroom and reflected light, it looks almost architectural. The roofline tapers with gentle confidence, the off-white chrome surface flowing like water. Shadows and reflections dance as one coherent design. It's a final moment of calm dominance, a vehicle shown as the work of art it truly is.